How do we see in 3D when we start with a 2D projection onto our retinas? The most basic answer has to do with the fact that we have two eyes, and as artists can tell you, certain cues such as shading, shadow, and perspective are also part of the picture. That's how a flat painting can give the illusion of depth. Stereograms, for example, are useful tools because researchers can separate how the brain responds to disparity from the experience of depth. When the dots for each eye don't match, there's no sensation of depth, but there is disparity. Measurements have revealed that neurons in the primary visual cortex still respond if the dots don't match, suggesting that stereovision requires other parts of the brain. Subsequent brain imaging studies have found that the dorsal visual cortex is particularly attuned to disparity and discriminating an object's shape and texture.
On a human, the average spacing between two eyes is approximately 3 inches, which lets us look at things from two slightly different perspectives simultaneously, while the brain merges these two views together through a process called stereopsis. So, IMAX cameras shoot two separate images from slightly different angles through dual lenses positioned a similar distance apart as the distance between your eyes. Now, a typical single 3D projector has to alternate between projecting the left eye image and the right eye image.
It flickers back and forth, which can degrade the quality of the 3D presentation.
Dual projection means 100% of the information is on screen all the time, so you get a much brighter and much more consistent image on screen. Imagine 4 lines drawn from the 4 corners of the screen to the tip of your nose. The lines make a pyramid shape. 3D images that come off the screen and into the theater can only appear within the boundaries of this pyramid, and IMAX's steeper viewing angles make a larger pyramid, which means images can come further out into the audience without distortion. This enables the filmmaker to take advantage of that feel like you can touch it effect with amazing realism and pristine picture quality.